Hi, within this lecture, we're going to see how can we learn about the database name so that we can dig deeper and later on try to find out about the table name as well. So suppose that we don't know the database name and we're trying to get one. And they are generally stored with column names like database, user, and version. But we have to find the columns and we have to find the current values. And in order to find that, we're going to find out how many columns that we have in this database. So let me copy this line and show you how it's done. Okay, I'm going to paste the line below because I'm now going to change this. So rather than saying where username is admin and union select, I'm going to use a new command called order by. So let me delete all of these things from here. Okay, I don't know the table name, so I'm going to delete from accounts thing. Rather, I'm going to say order by 1. It means that order this thing by first column. Okay, so it will order the results according to the first column values. So let me try this. So let me delete everything from here, union select from everything from accounts, and rather I will say order by 1. And it will give me one result because I'm searching for username is admin and password is 111, and it doesn't matter which password I'm giving. But if I say order by 10, it will give me an error because there is nothing called column 10 in this database. So right now we see the command that it's trying to run, and we see the error message. The error message is there is nothing called 10th column. So let me try by 6 for instance, and we still got this message. So let me try by 5, and we're going to see the result now. So it means that there are 5 columns in this database. How do we know? Because we didn't get any error messages in order by 5, but we got one in order by 6. So rather than saying order by 1 or order by 6, right now I'm going to say union select from 1 and comma 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it means that select the column names. So I'm going to delete everything from here, and after admin I will say union select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will select the columns and it will display them to me. So if I scroll down a little bit, I will see something like this. So this indicates that there are some values on second, third, and fourth columns. Username, password, signature doesn't matter. We only know that there are some values on second, third, and fourth columns. So I'm trying to find out about the database, user, and version names as I said before, and now I know they are stored on second, third, and fourth. So I'm going to replace second with database, third with user, and fourth with version. So this works most of the time, and of course some smart administrators might change these names as well, but we're going to assume it's not changed. And the first one is not user, first one is database as default. Okay, database, and we have to use this parenthesis thing, and the second one is user, and the third one, not Siri, the third one is the version. If I do it like this, if I hit enter, then I will see the database name, the username, and the version name. At this point, I might try to connect to MySQL by running MySQL with root account. And I might try to see if it asks for a password or not. But I'm not going to do that because it's very easy to do and I showed you how to do it, but rather I will try to use that information that we have gathered and I will try to dig deeper and find more about these databases and try to inject some more SQL commands to retrieve more information. That's what we're going to do in the following lecture.